how to whitelist emails in Gmail. First, you want to open up the Gmail app, and then we're going to click on the gear icon in the top right. From here, we are going to select SEO settings. Now, you want to navigate to filters and blocked addresses, and we are going to select create a new filter. Here, you will type the email in the from field. So for example, I'll just do this one. And once you select the email, you don't have to filter out anything else. We're just going to click on create filter. Once you select create filter, you want to find the never send it to spam option. Once you check this, then you will click on create filter. And now this email address is going to be whitelisted and it's not going to be sent to your spam folder. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.